Hi, my name is Marin. I am the rescue coordinator for the Adoption Alliance program through Animal Samaritans. My office is facilitated in the Coachella Valley Animal Campus. Really, my job is just identifying animals that are at risk or animals that would be a good fit for rescue placement. This guy, he does not yet have a name, but he is a Bull Terrier. He's a super sweet boy. As you can kind of maybe see, he does have some pretty bad eye gunk going on. We think maybe he had an eye infection when he came in. They started treatment for it, but it hasn't been improving too much. He is actually set to go to rescue later today, just after he gets neutered. He's just one example of the type of dogs and type of things that we do here. So the Adoption Alliance program has been around for over 10 years, and in those years we have saved thousands and thousands of dogs. Since I started in May, so I've only been about 6 months, Coachella Valley Animal Campus Shelter has been over 200% capacity every single month that I have worked here. Each kennel has 2 to 4 dogs in it at a time, and it's just a really hard time where rescues are so important, and getting these dogs out and getting them somewhere safe, somewhere cozy, a home. And when we're so over capacity, every single dog matters. Even if we can just get one dog out, that makes a difference. That frees up kennel space, that frees up resources, and it's one more life saved. So Shane came in to CVAC when he was just 5 months old, and he was about 11 months when he left. So a lot of his formative months were spent in a kennel, and he was very shy, very nervous, very shut down. This led to him being placed on the red list, and when he was red listed, we had a rescue reach out. They had a adopter in Tennessee who was interested in him, and we were able to get some transport ready and send him out to Tennessee, where he has been living on a farm, living with horses, riding around, living his best life, and very happy. He's in a training program, and he is just loving life. Panda, he is a little Shih Tzu mix. His name is now Gizmo. He came into us as a stray again. A lot of them come in as strays, but he is around 6 years old. He came in just so severely matted that it was pulling so taut on his skin, and he had complete lameness in his front leg. He couldn't use it at all, was just kind of dragging it around. But they started treating it here, and then we made an appointment again at the Thousand Palms Clinic to get his leg amputated. Got his leg amputated, and he was up and walking around. And once we were able to remove that, and he had the freedom to run around on 3 legs, he was actually going so much faster. He was running, jumping, and he just seems way more comfortable to not have to drag it around. I was walking, and there was 2 ladies sitting on a bench, and they said, "Oh my gosh, is that Panda? We were wondering where he went. We really want him." The only reason she hadn't gone for him yet, because I had seen her meet him before, the only reason she hadn't said yes was she was worried about the cost of having to do an amputation and finding a vet. So once we got that done, she was ready to go, and she took him home, and they've been happy ever since.